Hello guys, welcome to our new video. So, Harry, what is the new project today's? I'll tell you later. First of all, why? No. Let's go. Now my curiosity is level high. So please tell me what is the project today's? Please tell me, Tom. Oh, Harry, please tell me what is the project today's? Nothing very much hard, bro. Today's these animals we put in our truck. So let us start. We put in truck. First animal is fox. Hey. And friends, second animal is horse. Horse, friends, we put in the same yellow truck. Let's go. Hey. Next one is toy. Baby be a toy, friends. We put in the same truck, friends. After that, we put the animals. This one is cute little panda. Now, Tom, please come. You can put the animals in truck. Okay, Harry, I'll do it. So I'll start off. The first animal is I go with this giant giraffe. I'll put in blue tractor in next of panda. Next one is duck. So friends, let's go. After that, friends, we going to load tiger friends. Hey bro, listen friends, after that we put the animals is deer. I think you know this deer. So friends, after that we going to load which one? Oh, rooster, friends, rooster. So friends, we going to load rooster. Oh Harry, you going to take some rest and I'll do it. So friends, now we going to load this one cute cow, friends. You can see that the little small cow we put in the same truck. Friends, now we going to put this yellow dog, friends. Come on, listen friends, we going to load this leopard, friends. We going to load in loader, blue big loader, friends. So friends, after leopard we put in this loader, we going to load again big tiger. You can see that, friends, this big tiger is huge, big. So let's put in the next of the leopard. So friends, I think this one is last. This one is ship and going to load in last yellow loader. Friends, we put the ship in safely. Come on friends. Harry, my friends, we did it. All the animals put in our vehicles. Okay, Tom, so let's go to our destination. Of course, Harry, let's go. So let's go.